Welcome back to NPML Tech Tips. This is the start of Season 2. This is Episode 1. The mission of this series, as always, is to help senior citizens with their technology. In Season 2, we will be making tech tips videos for the Windows platform. So in Season 1, we did the iOS platform. In Season 2, we're going to be focusing on Windows computers. The topics we're going to be covering in this episode include how to save a PDF file and how to create a desktop shortcut. So first, we're going to go over how to save PDF files on Windows. So let's say we are on our web browser and we go to a website and click on a PDF. I want a PDF right now. And we want to save this PDF right on our computer's hard drive. Well, in order to do that, we first have to click on this down arrow icon towards the top right corner of the black bar at the top of our window. So this down arrow with the bar underneath, we need to click on this. And once we do that, our File Explorer application will open, where we can view all of our files. Inside this, you want to click on the Save button down here towards the bottom right corner. It says Save. And once you do that, you go back to your web browser, and you should notice that a new bar appeared on the bottom. And at the left of this bar is the PDF we're trying to download, right? Sample.pdf. And we want to click on the caret sign next to the PDF file name. So this, up arrow, caret sign next to the PDF name. And after we do that, we want to click the second to last option down here that says Show in Folder. And after you do that, it will take you to your File Explorer. And then boom, the PDF file is now in your File Explorer, meaning it's on your hard drive, and you can access it whenever you wish. Alright, so next we're going to go over how to create desktop shortcut on Windows. So shortcuts are these handy little icons. As you can see, I have some on the right. They're these handy little icons that you put on the desktop for quick access to items that you use on a frequent basis. So if you were to click on one of these icons, it would take you to that specific app. And let's say we want to create a shortcut for Adobe Acrobat Reader. Well, we would first have to go to the Start menu, and we have to click this Windows icon on the bottom left corner to go to the Start menu. And then we find the app that we want to create a shortcut for. Windows organizes these in alphabetical order, so it should be pretty easy to find. So we want to create a shortcut for the Acrobat Reader. So we just go down to A, and right there is the application. And now what you want to do is use your mouse and hold down on the icon for the application, and then drag it all the way out to your desktop, right? And let go of your mouse cursor once you're on your desktop, and boom, it just created a shortcut for us.